Dumelang landlord, this is your tenant Disebo D. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please do like, share and subscribe. And if you have anything to say, anything at all, please do drop a comment. I would really like to hear from you. My landlords, we are back with Umkhokha The Curse, and we are going to start with Unokubonga. Unokubonga is back at home. Unokubonga is happy. Umaphalala accepted Unokubonga and told her, Uguti, this is your home. Now, this was heartwarming to Unokubonga. While Umabusi, on the other hand, was feeling guilty, Uguti man, Unokubonga was my sister and I made promises to her. And therefore, I needed to honor that. And she thought, Uguti, no, she'll go to Unokubonga and call her. But Uzamkolo suggested, Uguti, no, rather go to her physically and talk about it with her face to face. I vele bahlale man bakhulume bazwane indaba yabo ihlangane. Then ke kube no usfocia angene ambathi namanzi amadolweni. Sithini isiZulu? Yeah, but like that, right? Am I right? Yes, akungena amanzi amadolweni decide ukuthi no uyotshela abantu bakamthembu ukuthi lo ufuna kuya enhlalakahle. Hayi ibawarishe vele abatshela ukuthi akudlalelwa laphayana. And then umalume went to talk to ukhulekani. Ngithi unomkhosi watshela umalume where to get off. Umkhosi waze wakhohlwa ukuthi umakoti kule family bekuuye. Hayi ke abuye umalume batshele endlini ukuthi hey ngaphoqa ngalahlelwa le. Ekulahleleni le kwakhe. The family is worried, and at this point, there's nothing that they can do about it. What they want to do is to go in, and that's what he wants. And at this point, everybody is fueling it. I get lo umphathi isinsila kamkhululi uNdlovu. I announce esontweni ukuthi hey uyonyuka nentaba in. But the family is worried. Usfocia is telling uManzimande ukuthi bona, if this person ascends, this person is not going to come back. Ngithi nomunwe wakhe angeke udophe. You better be careful ukuthi nenza kanjani. So nje ukhulekani ke manje ulele esofeni ugaye uyaphupha. Buza ukuthi uphuphani. Uphupha ubabakhe athi nje seyikulindela inhlalakahle. So who is correct in the acronym? Hey, sesazobona umhlolo. This is your girl Disebo D. Please do like, share and subscribe. I love you. Peace. Bye.